In the dense suburban ecosystems of New England, a rare and largely unchanged creature remains. The 2002 Ford Ranger, a pickup preserved in time, survives in near-mint condition. Let us first study the Ranger in its natural state. Its hide still glistening with factory luster. Its odometer astonishingly low. Barely crested 47,000 miles. An elder among trucks, yet with the mileage of a fledgling. Garage kept, seasonally sheltered. Its only predators the rising cost of gas, salt trucks, and the inevitable march of time. But nature does not reward stasis, it favors adaptation. And while this Ranger has survived to thrive, it must evolve. New armor, enhanced limbs, reinforced systems. A transformation is at hand. Before all else, we must understand the origin, the point from which everything begins to evolve. Atop its haunches rests a relic from another time, an old vinyl tonneau cover, aged yet enduring. Its surface bears the fine creases of time, but its frame holds firm. The Velcro, though softened by years, still answers the call. Once taut and trim, still remarkably it remains a survivor. Still, it speaks of restraint, of an owner who never burdened the Ranger with heavy quarry, who kept it safe from the world's crueler elements. Its wheels remain factory-born, modest. 15 inches of forged understatement, wrapped in aging all seasons. They carry no bravado, no lift, no gloss, no flair, merely function. But here, corrosion stirs. Tiny specks of rust emerge at pressure points where steel meets salt. The first signs of entropy, a quiet reminder that even the most protected creature is not immune to decay. In stature, the Ranger is diminutive. Once considered mid-size, now it sits dwarfed by the titans of today. F-150s, Rams, Sierras. In the urban jungle, it hides in plain sight, overlooked, underestimated. But it is precisely this modesty, this lightness of frame, that makes the Ranger an ideal candidate for evolution. Agility where others are bloated, simplicity where others are burdened with complexity. Yes, the wild may have spared this creature, but time demands change. Upgrades, reinforcement. The first phase of adaptation begins soon. Should this exploration stir your curiosity, I invite you to subscribe, like and share this with others, so the story may continue to unfold far and wide. If this glimpse of the world has sparked your curiosity, a gentle like, a subscription, and your thoughts below help this journey continue.